Hi guys, Tuesday the 15th of October. Is that in focus? I think it is. Okay, another update on the little solar rocker working off the potato battery. She's still got the tiniest little bit of a twitch. But really, I think we're about as far gone as we're going to go. Don't know if we can generate any more, giving it a little bit of a squeeze. Just encouraged her a tiny bit, but I think the honest truth is that's about as far as we're going to go. So that was the 9th to the 15th we've been running. Oh, she's still going, but she's not rocking, she's doing the startup mode. And as for this lemon one, well, same each time, isn't it? If I give it a little bit of a poke around to get the juices moving, then it goes for a little while. But not for long. Oh, one thing I did do is I swapped from the copper anode to the carbon anode. Didn't really make any difference, I just swapped them over. Yeah, see, that's it. That's more or less finished again now. She's still just moving. So that'll do for today. I don't know if I need to do any more updates. I should think this is probably about as far as we need to go. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.